एवरीवन, वेलकम टू एस ऑनलाइन क्लास। और आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे द प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर ऑफ मेंस ऑफ 2017 एंड द नंबर सीरीज ऑफ प्रीलिम 2018, right? So let's begin here, but a very big news for you, very big news for you. We are going to start a new batch with the zero payment. So that is what the code you have to use here. जो कोड आपको यूज करना है, that is IBPS 100. That means 100% discount. So every day 1.5 hour class will be there of reasoning, 1.5 hour class will be of quantitative aptitude, and also 1.5 hour class of English, and that too completely free. So you simply have to download our app and enter this code IBPS 100 tomorrow onwards. So what is the timing? The timing is 11. Aishwarya ma'am, timing is morning.
Morning, evening 6 sir.
Morning 11:30 का दो.
Live classes sir लेते हैं.
Live class 11. Okay, the morning 11 to 12:30. This will be the reasoning class, and 2 to 3:30 will be your quant class, and the morning 9 to 10:30 will be your English class. So all these classes, you can see 1.5 hour here, 1.5 hour here, 1.5 hour here. So you are getting 4.5 hours class completely, those who paid. Now in this case, tomorrow batch is a completely free with this code. How to go with this? The batch will be for the language will be Hindi and English. और चलिए इसमें आपको एग्ज़ाम तक क्लासेस रहेंगे, और ये सारे एक्सपीरियंस फैकल्टीज एंड द ऑनलाइन टेस्ट, मेंटरशिप एंड द डाउट क्लैरिफिकेशन, दिस विल बी देयर. And 21 tests will be there, and 9 tests on subject wise, and that too completely free, my friend. So 12 entire mock tests will be there. The only thing you have to use the IBPS 100 here, not 50, 100. Okay, how to enroll? So go for the ACE online, and then click that banking button. Then you will get the next step where the IBPS clerk will be there. Subscribe it, and then enter the code over here, and that will be IBPS 100. So you will be getting a completely free course. समझ में आ रहा है? चलिए, अब other ways is you can download our app from App Store or Google Play or Window, or you can scan this QR code. And please remember that this should be 100. IBPS 100 जब सब्सक्राइब कर रहे हैं तो इससे अच्छा न्यूज़ क्या होगा सर? चलिए, सो डायरेक्टली हम विल डिस्कस अबाउट द IBPS clerk, as many of you are going to write the exam, and in this previous year paper. So first 10 questions I have taken from the IBPS clerk main 2017 paper. चलिए टाइम क्वेश्चन पढ़ लेते हैं, then I will give 45 seconds to you. Now what is this question? Look at this one. That is 15 women. ये हमारा प्रीवियस पेपर हम कर रहे हैं. देखिए कैसे आता है, मेन में कैसे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. क्लरिकल मेन. The 15 women can do a piece of work in M days, and 21 child can do the same work in M minus 4 days. 35 women, एक और कंडीशन दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे 15 women, and in terms of M. अब यहाँ पे 35 women can do a piece of work in N days, and 63 children can do the same piece of work in N minus 4 days. Then what is the value of M? आप देख रहे हैं इवन द क्लरिकल में मेन क्वेश्चन कैसे ट्विस्टेड है. ओके, थोड़ा बहुत कुछ बताते हैं, उसके बाद में फिर आई विल गिव एन टाइम 45 सेकेंड टाइम टू यू. So the 15 women can complete the work in M days. So one woman can complete the work in how many days? 15 into M, that is 15 M days. चलिए and the second one here it is given that 35 women can do the work in n days. So one woman can work in 35 into n, that is 35 n days. क्या यहाँ हमने n to m की रेशियो निकलेगी? So this is one work. One woman can complete the work in these many days. One woman can complete the work in these many days. So I am getting one ratio between m and n. वो रेशियो क्या रहा है देखिए, 15m is equal to 35n. So what is m by n? So m by n is 35 by 15, which is nothing but 7 by 3. चलिए यहाँ से आपको I will be giving 45 seconds. This time 45 seconds. And your time starts now. Do it, my young friends. Do it, Anisha. Very good morning. And Satya, very, very good morning, sir. Very good morning. Do it. I am working on the IBPS Clerk Main. We are working on the IBPS Clerk Main 2017. देखिए ये तो हमने इंट्रोडक्शन डाल दिया, इसके बाद में आपको क्या करना है, आपको m की वैल्यू पता लगाना है. अब ये इंफॉर्मेशन हमारा बचा हुआ है, दैट इज 21 चाइल्ड कैन कंप्लीट द वर्क इन m-4 days and another one 63 child can do the work in n-4 days. 45 seconds is going to be over. 45 seconds is going to be over. Come on, my young friends. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. Anyone answer the question? Oh my God, Appal Naidu. He says the answer is C. Let me check the answer. That's right. Well done. Arey wow, Appal Naidu. I was not knowing you are so good, so good. I salute to you, my young friend. So, how do we do that one? So, let's take a line over here. This is the information which is already there. And I need the m value. Though, therefore, I will write this information n in terms of m. Okay, n in terms of m. N is equal to 3 by 7. 3 by 7. It strike your mind. It's so nice. 3m by 7. ये तो हमने n को m में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. अब let's come over here. 21 child can complete a work in m-4 days. Minus 4 days. And in the same way, it is said that 63 child, so which is equal to 63 child can complete the work in how many days? n-4 days. Minus 4 days. Now I need the m value, so I will replace the n over here by the 3m by 7. You can answer it, my friends. So let's take that this 21 and this is 3 times. So the left hand side is 3n. Can I replace this n by 3m by 7? So into 3m by 7 minus 12. This is my left hand side. Okay, done. So I notice that here I will be getting the 7m. Further is a simplification only. 7m minus 7 4 is 28. Am I right? Which is equal to, so this comes 9m minus 12 7 is 84. यहाँ से क्वेश्चन आपकी बन रही है. देखिए you cancel over here and then you will find that this is 2m which is equal to that this 84 comes over here. So you will be subtracting that. So how much when you subtract this one? You are getting 56. Okay, that's right. So what is m? M is equal to, that's 28. That's right. Oh, Appal Naidu, what a beautifully you completed this part, sir. I really appreciate you. Next question on the board here. We will practice some question because after the prelim you have to write the main exam. Now, what is this question is all about? The cost price of Y is double the Z, doll Z. Okay. And so, the both. So that is the Y and Z. Cost price of Y is double. So 2:1. ये CP दे रखा है. इसके बाद में and markup 20% more than the cost price. So दोनों का 20% मार्कअप किया है, increase by 20%. Both. If at the time of sales the shopkeeper gives ₹9 discount, ये कहा है क्या? Did it say 9% discount on each? 9 rupees discount on each? No. It is said that 9 rupees discount. That means on the overall say mark price, he reduced it by 9 rupees. And he earns 17% profit. Find the cost price of Y. ये cost price of Y हम X ले लेते हैं इधर. So you need to find out what is 2Y. Okay. Begin here. How to do that? So the very first thing, let me give you the start. It is 20% increase. So that is 2x plus x. That is total is 3x. And this 3x is increased by, चलिए इसको यहाँ पे लिखते हैं. That is 3x is increased by what percentage? 20% more. जब अगर 20% more करते हैं तो कितना हो जाएगा ये? 120%. 120% is nothing but, so okay, into 1.2 लिख लीजिए. This is your mark price. And what is the mark price? The mark price is 3.6x. अब मार्क प्राइस पे 9 रुपीज डिस्काउंट दिया है एंड ही गॉट ए प्रॉफिट ऑफ 17%. योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ. नाउ 5 सेकेंड हमने दिया है. कम ऑन माय यंग फ्रेंड्स, यू पीपल आर रियली वंडरफुल. आंसर इट. Oh, option C. Okay, very good evening. UI Nick, very good evening sir, very good evening. Very good evening Satya Shankar. Okay, so I will check your answer. Option C is correct or not, I will check your answer. It seems you are very good, my young brother. You are really very good. So many people are there. It's a IBPS Clerk Main 2017. So when you go to the main, you will find that this type of question. Your time is getting over. Yeah, time is over. Now I will explain you. This is what the mark price is. This is mark price is. And you are giving a discount of 9 rupees. That is become selling price. So let's write down. That is 3.6x minus 9, which is a selling price, which is equal to, यहाँ पे 17% profit हो रहा है ना. So 117% of the total cost price, which is 3x. So which is equal to 3x into 117%, which is nothing but 1.17. Then from here you get the x value, and once you get the x value, let me check your answer first. Unique Nick, आपने कहा option C. Let me check. It's option B, my young brother. Okay, how do I find out? So here when I cancel this, you find that this is 0.6x, which is equal to, when 9 goes the other side, are you going to take the 9 other side? Okay. Now here there is a multiplication, no? So you can't directly do that. I didn't notice that one. So there is a multiplication. So when you have to multiply this one, 17 3 is 51, and 3 1 is 3, and this is x. Okay, now what I am going to do? So here is 3.60x and here is 3.51x. So when you bring over here, then you are getting 0.09x, which is equal to, this 9 will go other side, is 9. Then what is x? X is equal to 100. If x is equal to 100, you are asked to find out the doll y cost price, which is 2x, which will be 2x will be, needless to write down here, 200. Option choice B. समझ में आया my friends? Okay. So these are the indirect questions when it comes to even the clerk main. Forget about the PO main. Now, next question on your board here. And what is this question is? Let's see what is this question. And this question indicates that a team of 5 people is to be formed among 4 boys and 5 girls. So you have the 4 boys are there, and girls, 5 girls are there. You need to select a team of 5 member, right? So what is the probability that the team will have less number of girls? The number of girls are less. So what are the chances when the number of girls are less? Can I take the all 5 boys? No, there are number of boys are 4 only. So the case 1 is here, the 4 boys and 1 girl. What is the case 2? What is the case 2, all my young friends? See that? So it is possible that this is 3 boys and 2 girls. Is there any other condition? So no, if I take the 3 girls and 2 boys, the girls will be more than boys. So there is only 2 conditions are there. So find out the probability of these 2 conditions and add it. Your time starts now. Yeah, 45 seconds. Come on, my young friends. Do it. Do it. I'm sure most of you will be able to do it. Most of you. When you go to the main, even the clerical main, today we are in 2023. I am taking the 2017 main. 2023 main questions will be slightly more difficult. Your time, 45 seconds, 24 seconds. Answer it, answer it. Appal Naidu, you are extremely good. You are extremely good. Do it, sir. And Chandni is there. If it is there, you can say yes. Okay. Fine. So, time up. Time up. Now, what I am going to do? I will deal with the case 1 first. This is case 1. What is the probability of getting 4 out of 4? That is not the probability. The number of ways selection. So that is boys selection is 4C4 and into you need 1 selection out of 5. So that is 5C1. Yeah, okay. And it is better if I write down this a little left hand side. Okay. I will just erase it writing so that I have to write the another possibilities over here. Therefore, I'll be writing over here. Let's write the solution here. So from 4 you are taking the 4. So 4C4, right? And into you will be taking the 1 out of 5. 1 out of this 1 out of 5. So that is 5C1 by how many selection? 5 selection out of 9 selection. So 9C5. So यहाँ पे हो रहा है, चलिए कुछ करके दे देते हैं 9C5. After that you will definitely be able to do that. Total number is 9. 5 plus 4, 9 members are there. You need to select 5, 9C5. Now plus or है ना? This is or. So it should be plus. And that is 4C3. Out of 4 you are taking 3. So 4C3 into here out of 5 girls you are selecting 2 girls. So 5C2. 5C2 by the total selection out of 9 you are selecting 5. So 9C5. 9C5. चलिए अब तो बना सकते हैं ना. तो क्या हम 45 सेकेंड आपको फिर दें? अब आंसर कीजिए. Now answer it. Oh, Anusha says D. Okay, Sai. Good evening, sir. Very good evening. Your videos are very helpful. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Get the job. Once you get the job, I will be very, very happy, sir. Okay. Okay, it's very good. Very good. Yes, Chandani, that's right. That's right. If you are there, say yes. Okay, 17 seconds. No, I'm sure you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. 5 seconds, 4 seconds, and 2 seconds, 1, and time up. Let me check the answer. Shall I check the answer? चलिए आंसर चेक करते हैं. कौन सा आंसर? That's D. You are right, Anusha. You are right. Oh, wonderful. Now, the remaining part is a simple addition over here, simplification over here. So, 4C1 is nothing but 1, and 5C1 is nothing but 5. And this is 9C5, those who have calculated, it is 126. So, I am not getting into fundamental part, right? So, 4C3 can be written as 4C1, and 4C1 will be 4. And 5C2 क्या होता है? So, that is 5 into 4 divided by 2. 2 factorial. So, that is 5C2. And the 5C2 is 10. यहाँ पे 10 आ रहा है. So, अब देखिए क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे. So, this is 5 into 1 is 5 by 126 plus that is 4 into 10 is that's 40 by 126. Finally, you are getting 45 by 126. ये आपके रिजल्ट आ रही है. थोड़ा सा देख लेते हैं यहाँ पे क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है राइटिंग में. ओके, दैट इज 100 एंड ओके, ठीक है. थोड़ा नीचे आ गए क्या? हाँ, फाइन. सो आई थिंक आई गॉन బియాండ్ ద బోర్డ్ లిమిటేషన్. సార్ ఇది ఎలాగ వచ్చేసింది, దీనికి బ్యాక్ చేయాలంటే ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది కదా? ఓకే, సో కెన్ ఐ బ్రింగ్ దిస్ ఓవర్ హియర్? ఓకే, నో, ఓకే, మూవ్ ఆన్. సో దట్ ఈస్ 45 ओवर 126. Then 9 से कैंसिल हो रहा है ना, 9 से 5 टाइम्स कैंसिल हो रहा है, एंड 14 टाइम्स कैंसिल हो रहा है. दैट इज योर आंसर माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, 5 by 14. एनीवन आंसर द क्वेश्चन? एनीवन आंसर द क्वेश्चन? 5 by 14, ऑप्शन चॉइस डी. चलिए, ये थर्ड क्वेश्चन है. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं. ठीक है, ये रहा फोर्थ क्वेश्चन. అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? ఇదంతా దగ్గరికి వచ్చింది. దీనికి అడ్జస్ట్ చేయడానికి అవుదా? इलागा? No? ओके, ओके, फाइन. थोड़ी सी बोर्ड की साइज चेंज हो गई है, कोई बात नहीं है. Now it's a very good question, really very good question. I will give 45 seconds. I will see how many of you can answer it. And that is the train runs at 25 km per hour and takes 18 seconds to pass a platform. So एक जो ट्रेन है, it takes a cross the platform in 18 seconds. This is what given in the first case. And in the second case, 18 seconds, right? उसके बाद में it takes 12 seconds to cross a man running within 5 km per hour in opposite direction. The same train cross a man running with 5 km per hour from opposite direction in 12 seconds. This two information is given to us. तो अब हमको क्या करना है? व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? द लेंथ ऑफ द ट्रेन इज हाउ मच मोर देन द लेंथ ऑफ द प्लेटफॉर्म. चलिए निकालिए. लेंथ ऑफ द ट्रेन इज हाउ मच मोर देन द लेंथ ऑफ द प्लेटफॉर्म. आई एम गिविंग 45 सेकंड फॉर यू. कम ऑन माय यंग फ्रेंड्स, come on. Some of you will be able to do it. See the 5-digit number. अच्छा, okay, Anusha. Come on, my friends. It's so wonderful question and also easy question, I will say. Still you have 25 seconds in your hand. Come on. I know you are coming bankers. Some of you will be bank officer. Come on. Anyone answers? Oh, wow. Appal Naidu, I really salute you, sir. You are great, really great. So, let me check the answer. You said option C or E. It's a E, I think. It's a B, sir. It's a option B. चलिए आप देखते हैं कैसे बनाना है इसे. So what is the speed of the train? For 25 km per hour. So let's take the length of the train as x and the length of the platform as y. So what is the total length? X plus y. So here I will be writing, so x plus y, the total length is equal to speed into time. It's a basic relation. Distance is equal to speed into time. चलिए उसको करते हैं. So what is the speed? 25 km per hour and the time is given 18 seconds. So I will be writing this 25 into 5 by 18. So I converted this 25 km per hour in meter per second, and it takes how many seconds? 18 seconds. 18 seconds, that's what I wrote also. So that is what is x plus y. So x plus y is equal to 25 into 5, that's 125. चलिए ये तो निकल गया. Sum of the length is there, 125. Now what it gives us? The train crosses its length in 12 seconds. What is the speed of the train? 25 km per hour. What is the speed of the man? The speed of the man is 5 km per hour. And they are running from the opposite direction. Then what is the relative speed? That is 25 plus 5 is 30 is the relative speed. And the relative speed into time is equal to distance. And this time we will be getting the x value. Because the man has no width, so we get the x value. So what is x? X is equal to the relative speed, which is 25 plus 5 is 30. अब ये इसको भी मीटर पर सेकेंड में कन्वर्ट करेंगे into 5 by 18, right? And into the given time, how much is the given time? It crossed 12 seconds. हमने लिखा भी है यहाँ पे 12 seconds. So write down over here 12 seconds. So when I cancel this one, I notice that it gets cancelled over here with 6 2 times, with 6 3 times. This is 10 times. 10 into 5, 50 and 100. So the x is equal to, क्या निकल कर आया? X is equal to 100. So what is y? What is the length of the platform? The length of the platform is, total is 125 and the length of the train is 100. Then the length of the platform will be 25. Now अब question पे आ जाइए. Come to the question. What is the question said? Then length of the platform is how much more than the length of the train? Length of the train is how much more than the length of the platform? Length of the train is 100, length of the platform is 25, and the difference is 75. So your answer has to be 75, option choice B. Yes, my young friends, are you understanding this? Surely you should know it. After the class, you can revise it, sir. Next question on the board here. Now, what is this? You can see that all I am discussing is of Clerk Main 2017. So, sometime I will discuss also the PO Main. Don't worry for that. So, the Mohan and Deepa entered into a partnership with a capital of 15,000 and 18,000 respectively. And Paras joined after K months, and contributed rupees 24,000. So यहाँ पे क्या थोड़ा beginning लिख दे आपको? चलिए, that is M is there and the Deepak is there and the Paras is there. Their capital is 15, 18 and 24. So reduce it in the ratio. So 15 gets cancelled by 3, it is 5 times. Okay. And 18 gets cancelled by 3. It is how many times? 6 times. And also 24 gets cancelled by 3. So 3, 8 is 24. So this is their investment ratio, capital ratio. Okay. अब ये बता रहा है कि Paras has joined X months, joined after X months. After X months. That means how many months he was there? 12 minus K. After K months, not X months, after K months. So he was there for the business for 12 minus K. Who is that? Paras. So here it is 12 minus K is the timing. And the next one is, and Deepa left K months before the end of the year. K months before. That means how many months she worked? 12 minus K. So Deepa worked for 12 minus K. And the next, if the share of profit at the end of the year if the share of the profit at the end of the year is this, then find the value of K. So nothing is said about M. That means M was there in the business for 12 months. देखिए बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन तो हम लिख दिए. अब यहाँ 45 क्वेश्चन देंगे, सब कोई करेंगे. चलिए 45 सेकेंड, आंसर इट. 45 सेकेंड, आंसर इट. All my young brothers, answer this. Answer this. I am sure some of you will be able to answer the question. Anusha, answer it. Appal Naidu, answer it. Chandni, answer this. Answer this. Still you have close to 21 seconds. And I already mentioned that this is capital ratio and this is time ratio. And we have the profit and loss ratio is there. You are asked to find out the K value. चलिए 7 सेकेंड और है आपके हाथ में. You have 7 more seconds. Time up. Shall I check the answer? चलिए हाँ हम बना रहे हैं, साथ में हमारे साथ आप भी बनाइए. So that is what you already know is here. The product of this is 60 and the product of this is 12 6 is 72 minus 6K minus 6K. और इन दोनों का रेशियो, व्हाट इज द रेशियो ऑफ दीज टू? 10/9. So can I write this one as 60 by y? So okay. So that is 60 by, that is 72 minus 6K, which is equal to 10/9. 10/9. Can I write this one? See that how the question comes when it comes to the clerical mean. उतने direct नहीं आते. So here I will be able to get the K value here. That's all. So now anyone can answer it. Option D, Delhi. Okay, Anusha is saying option D. Yeah, that's great. That's great. Well done. Well done. Okay, so here I notice that it will get cancelled here. So let's cancel here. The 0, 0 is getting cancelled over here. So I notice that that is 9, 6 is 54. So this comes 54 is equal to, that's 72 minus 6x. 72 minus 6K. I'm sorry, K. So जब 6K यहाँ पे आ जाता है तो देखिए क्या होगा, ये तो सिंप्लीफिकेशन ही है यहाँ से. The concept part is I already wrote it. चलिए यहाँ पे देखिए 6K is equal to how much? 18. So K is equal to 3. That's your answer. 3 months is there. Yes. So hope everyone is understanding. Appal Naidu, option D. Very good, sir. Shall I go to the next question of this IBPS Clerk Main 2017? I am going to the next one. But before that, don't forget, enroll the course, and you don't need to pay anything. Just use this code IBPS 100. You will be getting 100% discount. Only thing is you have to get into our app or website. And how to get it हमने initially बताया था. चलिए अब इस क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं, देखते हैं कि ये IBPS क्लर्क मेन 2017 में किस तरह का क्वेश्चन बाकी प्रॉब्लम ऑन एजेस पे दिया था. लुक एट दिस पार्ट. मिथुन मैरिड, चलिए रेड निकाल देते हैं. सो मिथुन मैरिड 6 years ago. 6 साल पहले वो मैरिज किया था. Then today his age is 5/4 of the time his age at the time of the marriage. Today age is 5/4. So that means how much more? 1/4 more. 5/4 minus 1, that is 1/4 more than at the time of the marriage. And 1/4 of his age is how much more? 6 more, because he got married 6 years. So from that to today, 6 years. So 1/4 of Mithun's age is equal to 6 years. The Mithun age is 24 years. ये तो क्लियर है सर. चलिए आगे क्या बोल रहा है? And his son is 1/5 of her age. So find the ratio of Mithun to her son's age. after 10 years. Your 40 second starts now. Come on, answer it. चलिए मिल के प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, कुछ नए क्वेश्चन लाए ना, साथ में मिल के प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. And if you don't know, I am explaining that. Come on, my friends. Okay, option B, Appal Naidu, option B, Bombay. Still, let me see that. There are many people are there on the board, and parallelly our paid course is also attached. Okay, time is there. Time is there. Appal Naidu says B, Bombay. Oh, wow. And still 8 seconds, 8 seconds. And I notice 4, 3, 2, 1, and time up. Let me see the answer. Option B, Appal Naidu, again rocked. Again really rocked it, sir. Well done. Well done. Okay. So, how is it? It says that we already know the M age is 24. Now, here, and his son is 1/5 of her age. 1/5 of her age. So, what is her age is, when 1/5 is 6, this is 24 years, this is the age at the time of the marriage. But after 6 years, then the M age will become 30 years. M age will become 30 years, that is the present age, 30 years. अब उसका सन का एज बता रहा है, तो सन का एज 1/5, and you know 1/5 is nothing but 6 years. Am I right over here, my friends? 6 years. Okay. So once we are familiar of this, you are asked the question that find the ratio of the Mithun's and her son says after 10 years. So चलिए ऐड कर देते हैं +10 and +10. So यहाँ पे हमारा क्या आ जा रहा है? This is 40 and this is 16. And when I cancel with 8, so that's 5/2 or 5:2. Done. Hey, 5:2. So option choice B. Beautifully done. चलिए next question on the board now. This one. What is it again? I want to remind that we are dealing with the IBPS Clerk Main of 2017. It's the Rajan invested. So it is simple interest, compound interest pay. So Rajan invested rupees 18,000 in scheme A, which offer 15% simple interest. Okay. And 15,000 on plan B, which offers 18% compound interest. ठीक है, statement is very straightforward. Now find the difference between the interest earned by these two plans in 2 years. बना तो सकते हैं सर. चलिए आपको 45 सेकेंड देते हैं. हम सिंपल इंटरेस्ट निकालेंगे, कॉम्पाउंड इंटरेस्ट आप निकालिए. So that is 15% per annum for 2 years. It is 30%. So on 15,000, the SI will be 18,000. On 18,000, what will be 30%? That is 0.3, which is nothing but 18,3 is 54, followed by 2 zeros. ये तो SI हो गया. अब CI आप निकाल दीजिए. Once you get the CI, you will be getting that different. You cannot apply the formula because here the principal is different, here the principal is different, rate of interest also different. Come on, your 45 second starts now. Come on, my young friends. Come on, I am sure you will be able to do it. Appal Naidu will be able to do it. चलिए हमने 45 सेकेंड दिया है. तो आंसर दिस. मिलके प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. इवनिंग 10 क्वेश्चन 15 क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस करेंगे सर. बस. Come on. Your 19 second, 18 second. Anyone can answer the question? Okay, still 13 second is there. Come on, 9 second is there, my young friend. Come on, 5 second is there, 4 second, 3, 2, 1, 0, time up. Okay, now how do I find out this part? So what I do is, 18% पर एनम फॉर 2 years, आप इसको कैसे निकालेंगे? फर्स्ट ईयर का 18%, सेकेंड ईयर 18% प्लस 18% ऑफ 18%, विच इज 3.324. So the total is 18, 36 plus 3 is become 39.24% on 15,000. इतना ही तो था. चलिए इसको करते हैं. So now we will work out on this. So that is 15,000. I am writing over here 15,000 into I need 39.24 by 100. That's all. And you know that these 2 zeros will get cancelled and multiply it, you will get the compound interest. Can someone write the compound interest now? Can someone write the compound interest? How much compound interest you are getting? It's a multiplication only. Simply multiply it. Okay, that's right. From the other board, I can see that they are saying the compound interest is 5,886. So let's take their value 5,886 by simply multiplying this. Then, my friend, now you are asked to find out the difference between these two. And what is the difference? सामने दिख रहा है ना 484. So your answer should be 484. Do we have option 484? Option D. Option D. Okay, that's right Anusha, that's good. देख रहे हैं ना, सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. चलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर. ये रहा, देखिए, हाँ, क्वेश्चन 8. 10 क्वेश्चंस लिए हैं इस एग्जाम से. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. An area of it's a beautiful question. Don't leave the platform at this stage. You will learn, which is really going to help you in the exam. I know this. So look at this one. What is said here? Then in a LA, tin and silver, 40% tin. And another LA. So I will take the first one. And here we have the tin and silver. And 40% tin is there. 60% silver is there. That is 2:3. That's done. Okay, in another relay, tin and zinc, not tin and silver, tin and zinc. So in the second one, the tin and zinc has tin and zinc has a ratio of 2:3. ले लीजिए 2:3. Now these LAs are mixed in the ratio of 5:3. So that means for the first one you have taken the 5 parts, second one you have taken the 3 parts. And you mixed up in the other can. Then the question is the quantity of silver. That's what the question is. The quantity of silver is what percentage more or less than the quantity of tin. Tin दोनों जगह है, देखिए, फर्स्ट में भी है, सेकेंड में भी है. Can you find it out? Try this. You can see that these are this question, this exam question. Your 45 seconds starts now. Come on my young friends, come on. कुछ सीखते हैं शाम में, 1 hour. क्या पता कुछ क्वेश्चन में कुछ नया मिल जाए आपको. Come on, answer it now. I gave 45 seconds for you. Try this. This class will be up to 7 o'clock. Appal Naidu, come on sir. Prakash, you are doing well, Mr. Prakash. Prakash, आप बहुत अच्छे कर रहे हो. Yes. Now, how do we answer this question now? First, find out the quantity of silver. Then find the quantity of tin. Silver you will get from here. Okay? Fine. Come on. Yes. Your time is up. Okay. No one answered the question. Not a problem. So here if I consider that 2x and 3x, no, not 2x and 3x. तो यहाँ पे रेशियो दे रखा है ना. This is the ratio of the quantity. So take this part. This is 5x is taken from here and 3x is taken from here. Then the silver is only in this 5x. So how much will be the silver? So silver will be, that is 5x 5x into 3 parts out of 5 parts. So that is 3 by 5, and I know that this is 3x. That's the silver. Now when it comes to tin, tin is there here and also there here. So here 5x is taken, so let's take the tin here. So out of 5x, how much tin will be there? 2 part out of 5 parts. So let's take that 2 part out of 5 parts. And plus the tin will come from here also. And this quantity taken is 3x. So in this 3x, how much will be the tin? 2 parts out of 5 parts. So that is 2 out of 5 parts. So you will get the tin value. So let's cancel this and get the tin value over here. So that as 5 gets cancelled, I notice that this is 2x. Let it be like this. And here I got that 6x over here. So 5 into 2 is 10, and 10 plus 6 is 16, and 16 by 5. And the 16 by 5 is 3.2. Okay, so here I got 3.2x. That is, here it is 2x, right? And here 5 into 2 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16, and 16 by 5. So if you are writing that 16 by 5, 3 times and 0.2. So 3.2x. So you are said that the silver is what percentage more or less than tin? Can you now find it out? What percentage less or more? Yes, you can find it out, sir. So that is 3x, obviously less. How much less? 0.2. 0.2x less over 3.2. Am I getting 1 by 16? So we are missing somewhere over here. That is this is 2x, and that is 3x into 2 by 9. Here it is it 2 by 7? So I made a mistake of writing the number over here. That led to the problem here, the 2 by 9. When it is 2 by 9, then what will happen over here? This is 2 by 9. Okay, let's take this as 2 by 9. So when it is 2 by 9, then what happens over here? So you can cancel this with 3 times, and this is 3 times. And 3 into 2 is 6. 6x 3 into 2 with 3 2 times. Okay. थोड़ी सी कैलकुलेशन यहाँ पे गड़बड़ है with 3 2 times, right, and with 3 times. So finally you are getting that is 4x by 3. ये आ रहा है? किसने दिया है? 4x by 3 कितना हो रहा है? That is, you are adding this one. This is 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 2, 8x. So finally you are getting 8x by 2. चलिए 8x by 3. So tin is 8x by 3. So do you notice that this 3x is greater than 8x by 3? How much more? So that is 3 into 3 is 9. 9 minus 8, that is 1. So that is x by 3 more. The silver is x by 3 more. So x by 3 more over 8x by 3. So x by 3 is what percentage of 8x by 3? So for that you simply have to write down x by 3 is what percentage of 8x by 3, as x gets cancelled, 3 gets cancelled. Now you notice that this is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is nothing but 12.5%. कहीं पे है 12.5%? ऑप्शन ई. वाह, गुड सर. सो थोड़े से हमने कैलकुलेशन में स्लिप कर गए, यहाँ पे रेशियो अलग लिख दिए थे. ओके, कोई बात नहीं है, अगले क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं. हाँ, दिस अ क्वेश्चन, and this is about the boat, but stream is not there. So you have to think whether the boat is traveling in the lake और बोट इज ट्रैवलिंग इन द रिवर. सो अब यहाँ पे देख लीजिए, that is the two boats traveling at 15 km per hour and 20 km per hour respectively. Okay, head directly towards each other, each other. तो relative speed हो जाएगा, and they are at the distance of 30 km from each other. So this distance is 30 km. Next, how far are they in 1 minute before the collision? Before the collision, 1 minute पहले उनकी distance क्या थी? देख रहे हैं how slightly the simple question is twisted in the main exam. I'll give 45 seconds for you. तो 45 सेकेंड नहीं आ रहा है, चलिए आप आंसर कीजिए. Come on. At least I will give few minutes for you to answer it. Few minutes for you to answer it, my young friends. Come on, answer it. Okay. इसको बनाएंगे कैसे? तो what is the relative speed? Anyone answering this? Okay. What is the relative speed? So the relative speed is equal to 35 km per hour. 35 km per hour. यही दिया गया ना? Okay. So 1 minute का gap है. Before the collision there is 1 minute. That is nothing but 60 seconds. When you are writing the 60 seconds, then convert the speed also in meter per second. So that is, in the 60 seconds, how much they will travel, the same distance will be the gap between the two boats before they collide. Let's write down this. So that is 35 into 5 by 18, yeah, relative speed. And in 1 minute, how much gap they will cover, so that is into time. And I am taking the meter per second the speed. So 1 minute should be taken in 60 seconds. यही तो गैप रहेगा यहाँ पे. बस यही आंसर है आपकी. Let's complete this one. So here I notice that this is with 6. How many times? 3 times, and this is 10 times. Finally, I notice that that is 5. 5 is 25. Carry 2, and 5 3 is 15 plus 2 is 17, and followed by 0 and divided by 3. Your answer will be answer will be ready. Okay. Now in 1 minute how much they will travel? So okay, is there that write it in kilometer per hour? That is the reason I can see that all are in decimal. Whatever I am getting is the meter per second. उसको किलोमीटर पर आवर में बदल देंगे by placing the zeros. Okay, decimal. So that is with 3. So let's write down that 3 5 is 15 and 3 7 is 21. 3 7 is 21, and I left with 21 40, and 3 3 is 39. That means 13 times. No, 3 3 is 9 हो रहा है ना. So it's 9 times. Chali. So this is 9 times. Okay, these many meters. But the answer is asked about kilometer. So what will be the kilometer? That will be 0.5. ये तो 339 हो रहा है ना. So it should be 3. Why I am making a mistake today? Okay, this is 3. So converting this in kilometer per hour, you will be getting 573. That's your answer. You can see that 573. How many times it is getting cancelled? Is my division is correct? 3 5 is 15. I left with 2, and 3 8 is 24. Okay. So 3 8 is 24. So ये होना चाहिए. So this value will also be 8. Let's cancel this. Write down 8 over here, and you have the option C. Yes, my friends? Okay. Now ये 9th question है. 10th question से conclude करेंगे. देखिए व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. हाँ, इट इज फ्रॉम मेंसुरेशन. एक तो मेंसुरेशन की क्वेश्चन आती है. चलिए लुक एट दिस वन. what is this question is all about. If the volume of the curved surface area of the cylinder is 1560, so what is the curved surface area formula? That is curved surface area, right? Pi r. You know that? What is the curved surface area? The curved surface area formula, if you know that, then the question is done. Pi r square h, right? So चलिए pi r square h volume. I am not talking about the curved surface area. हमने volume का लिखा है यहाँ पे. So let's see that the what is happening. Okay, anyhow let me cancel this one. So there is some problem with the, so this is the volume pi r square h, and the pi r square h is given to us is as 1540, and वो क्या है 440. That is the curved surface area. So you are expected to know the curved surface area is 2 pi r h. So write down over here by 2 pi r h, which will give you the value 440. देखिए एग्जाम की क्वेश्चन है, ऐसे रहेंगे फिगर्स. जब आप कैंसिल करेंगे तो you will find a little bit of uncomfortability, but you can cancel this one. So here that h gets cancelled here, pi gets cancelled over here, r square and r gets cancelled over here. So now cancel this one. Here you are getting 220, and divide this 220, you will be getting the r value. Let me write down the r value, and the r value here is this is 3.5 times 3.5 into 2, which is 7, which is r value. So we got the r value as 7. तो क्या पूछा गया क्वेश्चन में? What is the total surface area? You know what is the total surface area? The total surface area is curved surface area, that is 2 pi r h into 2 times of the cylinder, right? We are talking about the cylinder. So this one, this area and this area, then total surface area. So what is this one? The pi r square. This area is also pi r square. So 2 times of pi r square. So इसको अगर हम add कर लेते हैं, then we will be getting the total surface area. So plus 2 times of pi r square, and we already know this value. This value is 440. Can you add up this value where you know the r is 7? So 2 pi r, can you find it out and get the answer? Okay, I am getting here as a rough work over here. So 2 pi r, that is 2 into 22 r square. 22 by 7 into 7 into 7, as 7 and 7 gets cancelled. So this is 44, and 44 into 7 will be the number over here. And that is 7 4 is 28, carry 2, and 7 4 is 28 plus 2, which is 30. So when you add up this one, you are getting 7, 4 and 8. That should be your result. कहीं पे आंसर है 748, option C. So when we go to the main exams, you will be getting this kind of questions. So once again, before I conclude the class, I want to remind that 100% discount for a few days. So log in our app or in website and use the code IBPS 100. You will get the 100% discount, and this batch starts from tomorrow. And the morning time 9 to once again let me write down the morning time for English, that is 9 to 10:30. This is your English class, and 11 to 12:30. This will be your reasoning class, and 2 to 3:30 your quantitative aptitude class. So friends, do join here. I want to see you in tomorrow's class. Thank you very much and wish you all the best.